Hello everyone, how's everyone going? Hope you all are having an amazing day. Today in this video, very briefly, I want to touch about something very important and of course which is related to Counter-Strike Global Offensive. So in Counter-Strike Global Offensive and particularly in Steam, there exists a problem that when you play a game, for example any game, CSGO in this case, or Battlefield, PUBG, Fortnite, any game, when you are playing this game, your friends, that you have friends in your friends list, for example here I have my friends, okay, for example I'm playing CSGO or PUBG or any other game, my friends complain that my Steam account doesn't show me that you are playing game. I'm online at the same time, you are online at the same time, and I want to play with you, for example CSGO, but your Steam only says that you are online. It doesn't say that you are in the game playing right now CSGO in this case, or PUBG or any other game. Why is it happening? So my friend actually particularly, it was all good, but recently he was complaining that every time you're playing CSGO, I don't know, it just says you are online. And I said that I'm playing CSGO. Well, he says it doesn't show me. My Steam only says that you are online. It doesn't show me that you are in game. You are right now playing CSGO. And after searching, I found out what was the problem. So follow me, guys. First of all, open your Steam account, okay, in your browser, or if you have Steam installed, open your Steam client. In the right top corner there's your name, okay, or your picture. Click on your name or picture, and in the first in this list, the first one is view my profile. Click on this view my profile, and then click here that says edit profile, okay. It's also in the right top corner, edit profile, okay. Now when this page is open, under this profile, okay, under this profile button, it says my privacy settings. Click on this my privacy settings, and here what's happening was, okay, I will show you. Here there's 4 options. One of the option is game details. What it says, I will show you. This category includes the list of all games on your Steam account, games you have wishlisted, your achievements, and your playtime. And here's the important part, this setting also controls whether you are seen as in-game and the title of the game you are playing. So for some reason, and I forgot about it, I've set it to private, and for this reason, since this setting controls whether I'm seen as in-game or not, I've set it to private. So I'm playing CSGO, but my friend doesn't know because I've set this option to private. And then finally, when I change it to friends only, now every time I'm online, my friend can see me, whatever game I'm playing, okay? So same is the case, should be happening with you if you are facing this issue, okay? Just change this to friends only and it's all good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do like and share, and if you have any questions about this or any other thing, please leave a comment. I will try to reply to you guys and get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye.